We are sitting here watching Jared's video about his haircut before the kids go to school. What did you ask me?
Could I ask you if my kids could get haircuts from you?
You want me to cut your kids' hair?
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh my gosh. If it's okay with your wife. Yes, of course I'll cut their hair. Oh my word. Hey, how come you get to wear a hat to school today?
Because I'm going to have a field trip. Well, not really like a field trip.
It's a field trip. It's a miniature field trip.
Yeah, it's kind of like...
Okay, how cute is this? They have been writing letters back and forth between another school, and that other school is going to meet at your school at the park, and you guys get to meet them. That's what you...
How?
Yeah. All right, Link. What do you want done with your hair today?
You tell them.
You tell him. You're the one that wants it.
I want my hair buzzed.
All right. Lincoln wants his hair buzzed. Oh! And like my extension cord doesn't, like reaches like this. While we wait for Cody to go get the extension cord, if you watched our patio cleaning off video, you'll see we've got everyone out here on the patio. Joel is home from work. Very excited about that. Everyone is gonna sit here and we're gonna hang out while we do haircuts, okay?
And while they watch me.
And while they watch Lincoln. Lincoln had long hair like a month or so, or I don't even know how long ago. He had long hair. And I did not film cutting it because it made me really sad. I didn't want to cut it. Well, here's what happened. I was like, he wanted to keep his long hair. I wanted him to keep his long hair. I trimmed it and it was hideous. And it was so hideous that I like cried about it for a day. And then I was like, screw it. So we cut his hair, and then he was like, next time we cut it, can we buzz it?
And then the next time after we buzz it, can I cut it bald?
So we're going to buzz it all one length. Yeah.
Wait, you should go right down the center first.
Yes.
It's not even going to be that noticeable because I'm not even doing it that much shorter. I'm just doing it all one. I had to see first. Okay, we're going to go a little shorter.
Let's go.
Yeah!
But they can turn this on. I'll see that one. Yeah, you'd be fine like that.
When Joel got his hair transplant done, I got to cut his hair, and we buzzed his head, I loved that haircut on him. I loved it. If you guys want to watch that playlist, I'll have it linked below for you.
For my baptism.
Guess who buzzed his head for that?
Who?
Me.
What? Oh, you buzzed Dad's hair.
Dad was like, I need to cut my hair, and I was so scared that I was going to cut him. I was like,
I think a buzz cut is very handsome. So when Lincoln was like, can we do a buzz cut? I'm like, yeah. I love a buzz cut. I'm not going to do it like really short. This is
I want it really short.
well, this is pretty dang, I mean, it's pretty dang short.
Get it shorter, Mom.
No, I think this is great. This is a number 4.
This is a compliment. It looks like, at least from my perspective, you look like Sid from Toy Story.
Let's go play.
I missed a spot, forgot that I put a number 2 on. So I had to go back all the way around and take him from a 4 or a 6 to a 2. Okay, so we did a number 2 all over his.
Looks good.
That means
You know,
2 more
it's
months
fine.
and then it'll be back to normal, Lincoln.
In like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
It'll be great. The only other time we buzz cutted the kid's head was when?
They got lice.
No, my friend buzzed my head and I buzzed his.
Oh yeah, Cody buzzed his head for fun.
That was the dumbest thing I've
And
ever
I thought that was handsome too.
Mom, are you dumb?
Hold on. I just need to finish trimming around the ears.
Oh!
And then when the kids were really little and, you know, we had that little outbreak and we had to do a little shave, commenters were a little ruthless. You are finished.
Oh.
Do you like it?
No.
I actually
That is
really
cute.
like it.
I don't like
It's stinking cute. I like it.
You get used to people touching your head.
I like it. Okay, go take a shower.
everybody's gonna touch my head.
How short do you want the top?
Not too long. Like a little shorter than what
A
it is
little
right
shorter than we normally do it?
now. No. Like normal.
Oh. All right. That's easy. I can do that.
Should I get a perm?
You don't have enough hair to do a perm. That's the haircut. Looks handsome. Cowlicks are in full force. That's fine. Okay, you go in and shower.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom. My birthday's on Tuesday.
That's right.
Tell me about this birthday.
Nope, it's a surprise. You can't tell them. Bossy, what do you want to talk about? We're doing her Christmas.
It's a big joke.
I don't really know. I felt sick and I threw up at the baseball park.
So here's my question. When you threw up at the baseball park, how come you didn't come home?
I don't know.
Did you want to come home?
No.
Okay.
I threw up at the baseball park and then I sat down at the bleachers and then I threw up again.
At the bleachers?
Yeah, but it was a grass bleacher, so there's no concrete.
Okay.
And then we went to our friend's house and then I threw up there. And then I came home.
Well, so then her mom called me, his mom called me, and was like, I think Boston needs to come home. I was like, I'm so sorry. I was like, I had no idea. I hope he doesn't get anyone sick. And she was like, yeah, we're not worried about it. She's like, they go to church, they go to school. She's like, if they don't get it from your son, they're going to get it from somewhere else. Which was nice that she wasn't super, you know, because I'm a little funny with sickness. You know, I'm like, stay away.
She called you?
Well, she texted me and said, we're going to bring Boston home because he's throwing up. All your clothes in the laundry room. You go shower.
Okay.
Oh, bud.
Your turn.
I don't want to move.
You have to.
I would say I'm so comfortable, but this is not.
Yeah, I was going to say, that looks horribly
It
uncomfortable.
feels so nice, though, to have the breeze.
Uh-huh.
The trees.
It does feel so, like, literally perfect.
Hold the RV. I feel like I'm RVing right now.
We are, Joel.
I'm outside.
We're at a laundromat. We got our laundry going.
Yeah.
We need to
We're not going to go to we're not going to have to go to a laundromat for very long, huh? Stay tuned, everybody.
My language.
I'm going to tell you what I am excited. I mean, I like doing hair outside better than I do inside. However, the wind just blows it in my face, and I just really don't enjoy outside either.
What are you getting at?
That I cannot wait until I can do this in my house, where I have a designated spot to do it, with no wind blowing, concrete floors,
Speakers so we can listen to music.
speakers so we can listen to music,
I want a chair.
a salon chair.
Oh man, so I can like relax.
I just noticed this today.
What?
You know how Boston gets long hair, long face hairs?
Do you have a long
It's
hair?
going
Oh yeah.
Wait, is it darker?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like black.
Give me a cigarette.
It's going in the wrong place, Dad. It's supposed to be down here.
Careful,
your
don't trip up
pitties?
that cord.
Yeah. I thought it was just a hair that I didn't wash out.
Joel, do you got an update for anybody? No, you don't even want to talk, do you?
Last week of school. I just gained some employees. I'm pretty excited about it.
We are going to be able to spend a lot more time up there. It's going to be fun.
We'll have sack lunch. Carrots, and a sandwich.
Are you okay? Just tired?
I honestly, no, I feel, I mean, I'm tired, but I feel like I've got a little spring in my step, you know?
Because of the progression.
I think the progress of the house,
Plus it's summer.
the change in the weather's really been a big deal. And yeah, I think honestly the sunshine is feeling really nice right now.
Do you want to know what's got me really sad?
What's that?
Julie and Landon moving.
I don't want to talk about it.
I don't either. Pretty snazzy.
Look good?
It looks really good.
Feels good.
Everything that I use for the at-home haircut, if anybody wants links, I will have it in the description.
You're gonna want the link.
Love those dogs next door barking their heads off.
What?
Just
Sorry.
love that. Okay. Bye, guys. Just say bye.
Bye, guys.